Hello everyone. A few videos ago I decommissioned this pole. This pole had a 10-meter vertical which is now sitting on top of the antenna up there, so the pole wasn't doing anything. I always wanted to try an inverted V. A lot of people tell me, you know, they're a great antenna, great wire antenna for local chat and stuff, so I thought I'd make a 40-meter inverted V. While the wife's out doing the shopping, I'll throw a little bit more stuff up in the air. She won't even notice it, so good as gold. She calls it junk in the air, but anyway. So there's the pole. This is the ballon that I made, or not the ballon that this isn't the ballon on this one, but the same ballon 1-to-1. Come along here. Pole is probably about 11 or 12 meters. Here's the ballon up here. Wires leading out, about 2.5mm building wire up to here. Let me show you. It's on a egg insulator, and they're just a bit of string to keep it tied out. So there it is, a bit of an egg insulator, string to keep it tied out. They say for local chat you have the legs at about 90, DX legs about 90 degrees. For local stuff about 120 degrees, so I'll get it out for 120 degrees. The ballon I made a bit of a standoff just to keep it nicely out there. Inside here, the PL259, this is standard what I do. Inside the PL259 where it meets, I use dielectric grease just to stop any corrosion. Then I use amalgamating tape, which is like that rubber tape. There's quite a few brands out there. Nitto make a good one, and wrap that around. Then on top of the amalgamating rubber tape, it's not adhesive, the rubber tape, it just sort of stretch it around. I use insulation tape. The amalgamating tape is not UV resistant, so I go over the top with the insulation tape. Then I go across the top of the insulation tape with some cable ties, because the ends can come loose and start flapping around in the wind after a short time. So I figured that was the best way to do it. So yeah, this is an electric winch. One end will tie off down that end of the barn, the other end will tie off at the other end of the machinery shed. We'll get this thing up in the air. Let me get the, very hard to do, got to hold both buttons of the winch, and here we go. This is just a 4.5 ton winch. There's a little jumper trolley, Anderson plugs, winch doing its thing. Bit of flex in the pole, but it's not bad when it's up there. There's not really that much weight. All happens fairly quickly. There it is there. So I'll jump up the ladder now and just move that into the bracket, tighten the bracket up, run the legs out. There's one leg running down there, the other leg, like I said, will run down the other end of the barn, and we'll give it a crack. The antenna terminates into just a termination box here, or I've got a couple of feeds, so that'll all be good. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Leave a comment in the comment section, use your call sign and where you're from, that you enjoyed the video or that you're just checking in, and we'll be back with another video shortly. I'll give this thing a crack. Thanks for watching.